Hello, my dear friend. Welcome to Math Jamboree. We have another questions with us. Let's read the question and solve it together. 2 is equal to 2 in parentheses 2x minus 1 times in parentheses x plus 3 over in parentheses 2x minus 1. Given the equation above, which of the following could be the value of x? This is a pretty simple question. I hope you already did realize that 2x minus 1 and 2x minus 1, they can cancel each other out. Then you will end up only with 2 is equal to x plus 3. To get the value of x, we need to isolate the x. We will just take away 3 from both sides. 2 minus 3 will be negative 1. So therefore, the value of x will be negative 1. So the right choice is the choice C for this specific question. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or comments, you can always leave it below. See you next time. Bye-bye.